Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, January 25th. The time is around 3:45 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the SPY. This is the S&P 500 ETF. Now we can see right here we ended with one over here, okay, in the minor degree, and then with two pullback ended at 387.3 right here. Now we have continued to go higher again within the wave 3 now, and so wave 3 should be subdivided into another 5 waves. So we got one here, and then now looking for a 2, and then rallying higher again. So I think simply means that the pullback now is expected to find support against 387 for more upside again. This is going to be the next potential support at 393, 396. From here we can then extend higher again. Okay, so zooming out here, we got the 4 hour here. Now if we look at it from this low, December 23rd, right? So if I copy the 1 and 2, this is the 1 and 2 here. So we are looking at the 5 waves from December 23rd, ended here at wave 1 as a wave 1. This is your wave 2, and now we break above 1 again. So suggesting that most likely we are going to extend to the upside within the wave 3 as long as we stay above this wave 2 here. Okay, so now doing this pullback before higher again. Now I think if you want to have a more sort of like better confirmation that the extension higher is going to start, it should break above this one, right? If it breaks above this one, then I think it will give you even a better confirmation that the cycle from here already finished. So this correction ended here, and we're gonna break higher and then extend to new high, and it should go to at least 100% extension, right? But until then, we technically, cannot completely rule out yet something like this. Alternate always can happen, guys, right? Alternate is always possibility, but if it breaks above here, you will have even a stronger confirmation. Now for the time being, this looks like a high sequence here. The alternate I can think of is that the new high here is still part of wave 1. So then if that's the case, then the pullback is going to be your wave 2, and your wave 2 could be correcting this entire rally. So the alternate is suggesting there is a possibility of a bigger pullback like this, because you are in the wave 2 correcting this entire rally before higher again. So in other words, in the alternate, you can actually break below here and still remains bullish, right? Even if it breaks up below this for 1 hour invalidation here, 387. So that's the alternate, right? But for now, the primary count, calling 1 and 2 here, and we start the next leg up. We break above 1 already, so we can continue to see more upside. If you look at the momentum, the structure seems to suggest that this is really your connector, and because you can see the size of this pullback relative to the rally before it, right? You can see it breaks the trend line as well here. So that seems to imply this is a cycle, and this is another cycle. So you have a high sequence here, which is basically a 3 swing or 3 cycles. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. And as always, if you want to check more updates and regular updates on the SPY or any other ETF and stock, you can check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.